Hey guys, here we are back at this big pole barn that we poured last week or so ago. They are putting some wood in here on the walls and stuff like that, but we're back here to pour some concrete. So we got this big apron to pour, and we're gonna pour this out, and then over there on that building we got to pour an apron. So that's what we're gonna do today. 19 yards. This concrete here today is gonna be 4,000 pound. It's got fibers in it, and we got wire mesh in there, and it's gonna have full air entrainment in it, which creates air bubbles in the concrete so it won't freeze. And we are gonna do a broom finish with picture frame. We're gonna put some lines right in these columns. We're gonna groove them in at each one of these columns. So here, all the way down through. That's how we're gonna do it. Here comes the mud! Hey, Frank! Mud's here, buddy. Get your boots on. Here's the mud. Mud's here. Here comes the mud. We got it clear today, guys. Look at slab. That's what I hear. Here comes the mud. Here comes the mud, guys. Here it comes. About time. They're a little bit late today. Here comes the mud, boys. Ripping her in here. We got Rosselli mud today. Coming in hot. We'll get this in here. It's Friday. We got to get this down. Oh, I like this driver. He's a good driver. He helped us out on the floor. All right.
Bonus roads are really driving me. I got 6,000 roads. Well, I got 3 guys that'll be there. 2 will worry about it. One's got a fucked up shoulder. Because everyone I know got a fucked up shoulder this year. Robbie's name is Robbie. I got Jared and Troy. Those doors won't let me work.
Chris, let me show you something. See that string line? That's where you want it. That's what's holding this string line. Oh, that's great. I don't know if you want to put a right here. That for it. And when it gets to here, it's just a little bit above this metal, but he doesn't want to roll it. Want the concrete on the metal. Over the metal. You want to make a wet pad right here and just feed off of that? Yeah. You want us to take them screws out once we get the wet pad in? Get the screws out of the way? Yeah. So get the screws out. Say if we hit it right here. Right? Yeah. Once we get a wet pad in.
Okay. I'll grab a screw gun. I got it ready. I hate the detail. I tried to talk Sean out of it twice.
You want to
once
keep
I have a good part of
back off the string to start with?
A little bit, yeah.
See that string line, bud?
Float it without taking it out. There. Now that I see what you're doing.
Jameson and see if that calms it down. Makes you get on the truck better.
Not those kind of shots.
Hold on.
Oh, come on. What'd you do? Look at that edge you got, you know? It's 2022. You can move on to another. I just play nice and don't pick on the tools. That's what I said. I don't pick on your tools. Remember that when you reach in your pocket.
I have no filter. If it's caught, it's out. One of my flaws in life. I'm really
I'm not so sure that's a flaw. I think it would be a lot better world if everybody was like that.
It's really would.
Think about lying around, lying behind your back and everything like that. It's fucking safe.
Tell me how you really feel. I can handle it. I am an adult.
Exactly. I am not a baby.
People don't like the truth, though. That's the problem.
The truth hurts.
The truth does hurt. Oh, wait. We got 4-inch edger, right? Oh,
Yes,
we
sir.
gotta make it next to that. See that? We gotta go cut all them joints.
That's the one we wanted right there. Tell you what, that wind really gets things moving.
Well, and 2%.
Yeah, 2% accelerant on a Friday.
How you get it done?
That's how you get it done, right, Chris? 2% on a Friday.
It's gonna be a good video. It's just gonna be a short one.
Yeah, very short video here, guys.
Give me a little water. Leave a little bit in the bucket.
It's far too wet to be like this. What do you mean? I'm doing a good job. Are you sure? Yes.
Tomorrow I could spray the sealer after that. Splatter it all over the fucking place.
I just took out Polly. I'll get it cold.
We gotta put it all back out when you're done, I can tell you that.
Sounds like a you problem, buddy.
Dude, I like the hat. The hat is awesome. That's better than mine.
A few times we've been here, you crashed me up.
That guy?
Adam, he's a good dude.
Adam?
Adam?
Yeah, yeah, he's a good dude. Two % for the W, huh?
Oh, yeah.
2% for the W.
It's dark early. We're all like 8:50.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
What, thinking? It's up there. It's a good thing you're really quick.
Yeah.
Like you guys had fun bowling the other day.
You made me say.
Who made you pay? Ryan said he paid for like 4 people. I'm sure he did.
Yeah.
Well, those 4 people were actually his girlfriend and Ryan's girlfriend and himself.
Yeah.
Oh, that's.
That's how you do it.
That's how it's done, buddy.
Might not be how you do it, but it's how we did it.
That's how we did it.
So, anywho.
2.5 hours. Dunzo. Pretty damn good.
2%.
2%. Accelerant.
Chase it.
For the win on a Friday. 2.5 hours. That's the way it's done. Oh man, look, see that move? He's going back over it.
No, I got to get close to the column, and then I go over enough so that I can get by the column. And then it looks seamless, and you try to figure out how I lined it up.
How'd he do it? How did he do it?
Trying to cut it close and then whacking that column.
Oh, I've never done that.
And you step on your own float behind you, or whatever someone
Watch over that screen.
Because I don't care, whenever you're brooming, there's always someone jumping behind you in the worst spot.
They work on parallels. They need to start going the opposite.
Or you get your kid to stand on it? Yeah. What do we do? Can't find down the road over here back. Bang, 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 bang.
They didn't do it on all of our own, so we had those ones.
Here it is, guys. That's what she looks like today.